Hello there, and welcome to another impressive video from Wondershare Dr. Phone. Today, on your favorite YouTube channel, you will find clear guidelines on sharing locations on Messenger. Messenger, a commonly used social media platform, is preferred by many users, being one that you might be confused about sharing the location through this source. So before we discuss all the essential ways to share location on Messenger, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get all the latest tech updates. Now with that said, let's go ahead and dive right in. First, let's figure out how to grant Facebook Messenger the permission to access location. We've heard many users complain about finding the right way to allow Messenger to access the location of their device. While this is nothing difficult to execute, we provided clear guidelines for Android and iOS users before we lead into the discussion, of course, on how to share location through Messenger. So for Android, the first thing that you want to do is open the Settings app on your Android smartphone and choose the Apps option. Then scroll down from the Apps list and access the Messenger settings. Tap on the Permissions option and choose the location permission present under the Not Allowed section. Afterward, enable the Allow Only while using the App option to grant location access. Now for iPhone, start by launching the Settings app of your iDevice and access the Messenger settings by scrolling down to the Apps section. Following this, choose the Location option and set it to Always or while using the app to allow the Messenger app to access your real-time location. Next is how to share my location on Messenger. Following the steps on allowing Messenger to access your device's location, we will now discuss various techniques to share location on Messenger. Next, we will provide 3 essential methods that we recommend considering when sharing locations on Messenger. Method number 1. Share location on Facebook Messenger via live location. Sharing your live location on Messenger proves essential in specific situations. This works best when you have to update the other user in real time. In such a case, you need to learn how to share your live location on Messenger, which is provided next. So first, just launch the Messenger app on your device and proceed into your friend's conversation. Then tap on the plus from the bottom left corner and press the Start Sharing Live Location button from the Location tab. Method number 2 is going to be to share your location on Facebook Messenger via pinned location. If you have to share a specific location on the map with your friend, it is best to share a pinned location through Messenger. When the question comes up to its execution, well, provided next is going to be a guide to share a pinned location on Messenger. Open your friend chat on Messenger and tap on the plus icon from the bottom left corner of the screen. From the Location tab, search for your desired location and tap on the arrow icon to send it successfully. Method number 3 is going to be to share location on Facebook Messenger via Google Maps location. Google Maps can be a helpful source for sharing locations if Messenger is unable to directly trace your pinned location. If you wish to learn the right technique to share Google Maps location through Messenger, we will discuss simple steps to use this method. So first, just launch the Google Maps app on your phone and use the search bar to find your location. After finding the desired location, tap the share icon and choose the Messenger app from the sharing options. Next, select the contacts that you want to share the location with and press the send button. Now here's going to be a quick bonus tip to protect your privacy with Wondershare Dr. Phone. While you've learned different ways to explain how to share your location on Messenger, there are going to be several users who are looking to avoid sharing their actual location. So to cater to such requirements, you need to have a tool that protects your privacy by changing your real-time location. Wondershare Dr. Phone Virtual Location provides an immediate solution with its location spoofing ability. So to learn the right way to protect your privacy using Wondershare Dr. Phone, we will perform the steps of using this tool in this video. First, just go ahead and connect your iPhone or Android device to the system and install and launch the Wondershare Dr. Phone toolbox. Following this, choose the virtual location tool from the toolbox and click the Get Started button. Enable teleport mode from the top right side of the screen and use the search bar to find your desired location on the map. Once the location is displayed on the map, press the Move Here button to change your location successfully on Messenger. So after you provided permission to share the location through Messenger, the methods discussed throughout the video are comprehensive and cater to different scenarios. Regardless of the problems users face in sharing locations, they will be able to execute this requirement with ease after going through this video. For users who want to protect their privacy, Wondershare Dr. Phone Virtual Location has displayed itself as a go-to solution for location spoofing. If you liked our video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content just like this and to stay updated on such learning-oriented videos. And with that said, until next time, enjoy.